Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. Recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp right here, just like what you see right here, asked me to buy this particular product on 1688. What they need from this product link here is just 10 pieces. And I decided to make a video about this and show you on how to place order directly on 1688 without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead. I'm going to open up my 1688 shopping app link right here. Just like so. Have you opened up the product link? You can see the product detail right here. You can scroll down and check out more product detail. The more you scroll down, the more you see product graphics. However, depends on the number of the product graphics or product picture that was uploaded by the supplier. You can as well come to the top right here, slide in this width, which allow you to see more product picture as the case may be, just like so. Now, once you're satisfied with the product detail, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and add the product to cart. And for that, go ahead and click on here to add the product to cart. And this is going to pump up right here. I need just 10 pieces of this, which is automatically added right here. Once you add it, so once you select the quantity you want, go ahead and click on here to automatically add the product to cart. Then boom, you have successfully added the product to cart. Next thing we want to do is to proceed to our cart and see how we can check out and make payment for this particular order on 1688 Chinese shopping app without any stress. So with that being said, let's get started. Before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, JD.com, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and simply click on here to close this bump up. So next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to cart. Just like so. So from the cart right here, next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on here to select the product. Once we select the product, next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. Just like so. So from this point here, we want to scroll down right here, and then we want to make sure we click on here to choose our means of payment, and we want to make sure we select Alipay right here. Having select Alipay, I'm going to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. And allow the Alipay to connect and ready to make payment with my Alipay right here. Go ahead and enter my payment password to complete the payment, and boom, the payment will be done successful, just like what you see right here. You can see the proof of payment right here. Lastly, I'm going to go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment right here. Just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to close this button. I have to make sure I go back, then continue to go back, and then refresh my dashboard right here. The product we just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So here we go. Lastly, I'm going to go ahead and access my 1688 right here. I'll come back to my WhatsApp, then attachment, my gallery, select proof of payment, and say payments done. Send. It's that simple. If this is exactly you want me to do for you, you want me to pay your supplier on 1688, Pinduoduo, Taobao, JD.com, IDFish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.